Hello everyone, my name is Bhagyasri Ingre. Today our topic is communication cycle, content, introduction, definition, communication cycle, type of communication. Communication cycle definition. The word communication has been derived from Latin word communicare. Communicare means to share. The sharing of information, knowledge, understanding, and throughout to other is called communication. There are two parties required for communication. First party calls sender and second calls as receiver. Absence of these two parties, communication can not take place. It termed effective only when the receiver receives the message intended by the sender in the same perspective. Otherwise, it is miscommunication. Communication cycle source, encoding, channel, decoding, receiver. This is the type steps of communication cycle. Explanation. Sender first encode the message and send it. Message goes through in well-defined channel. Message reaches to receiver. They decodes the message and give pay attention on it. If receiver understand the message, then they give feedback to the sender. Feedback is nothing but it is replied to the suitable answer to the sender. For moment it is necessary the receiver will understand the message. This is happened due to presence of some noise and default fault in channel. Effective communication essential for effective communication. The communication environment, a common communication environment, cooperation between the sender and the receiver, selection of an appropriate channel, correct encoding and decoding of the message, receipt of the desired response and feedback. Types of communication: general communication, technical communication, extrapersonal communication, intrapersonal communication, interpersonal communication, mass communication. The first is general communication. It contains a general message, informal in style and approach, no set pattern of communication, mostly oral, not always for a specific audience, doesn't involve the use of technical vocabulary and graphics, etc. Technical communication. It contains a technical message, mostly formal, follows a pattern, both oral and written, always for specific audience, frequently involves jargons, graphics, etc. Interpersonal communication. Communication at this level refers to sharing of information among people. Interpersonal communication differs from other forms of communication in that there are few participants involved. The interactions are close physical proximity to each other. There are many sensory channels used and feedback is immediate. It can be formal or informal. Mass communication. This type of communication requires a mediator to transmit information. Mass media such as journals, books, newspaper and television which mediate such communication. This kind of message are for large audience. Oral communication through mass media requires some equipment such as microphone, amplifiers, etc. For written form needs print or visual media. So, in this way, we have to study the cycle of communication. Thank you.